Hello and welcome to this edition of Goa 365 Story Behind the Story. Last week too we had this panel and the same discussion of whether students should go back to school or no, and a little bit of the new education policy. Welcome guys, Amarnath, Candida, Shaunak. And as promised, we are back on this issue again. Amarnath, let me start. We were speaking on a few things with you. Let me start with you. We're speaking on a few things about, difficulties, infrastructure, authorities, lot of laxity. Yeah. So I would like you to brief our audience a little bit of what happened last time and then continue on the issue. Amarnath.
Yeah. नमस्कार. आम्ही जी चर्चा करताले फाटले फावटी whether students should go to school or not. And आम्ही including Shaunak, Candida was always saying no, but including Shaunak, we all agreed that life is more important and more precious. आता स्कूल इम्पॉर्टंट एक बापूय म्हण एक टीचर म्हण म्हाकाय दिसता की स्कुलां चालू जावची, पूण सध्या जी परिस्थिती आसा ती परिस्थिती जर पळयली जाल्यार आमकां भिवपाची गरज आसा. कित्याक कालूय जो मरणाचो आंकडो आसा तो 8चेर पावला. केन्ना तो 8 जाता, केन्ना 12 जाता, केन्ना 19 जाता. सो केन्ना तो कमी जायना. आणि आमचे सरकार हे सगळे सिच्युएशन हँडल करपाक प्रिपेर ना. जे सिच्युएशन आमकां मेडिकल फॅसिलिटीज मेळपाक जाय, जे कॉन्फिडन्स लोकांक मेळपाक जाय, जीएमसीन गेल्या उपरांत आमकां ती सुविधा बरी मेळटली, बरें ट्रिटमेंट मेळटलें आनी आमी बरे जावन परत येतले, ही शाश्वती आयज ना. आनी त्या खातीर आयज आमी सामान्य हो गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटलांनी वयता, कोविड हॉस्पिटलान, आणि जो व्हीआयपी आसा ते व्हीआयपी प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलान वयता. तेंकां ते शक्य आसा कित्याक ते एक तर गव्हर्मेंट पैसे ते लोकांच्या टॅक्सांच्या पैशांचेर ते सगळे ट्रिटमेंट घेता, नाजाल्यार ते खूब पयशे तेंकां ते शक्य आसा. सामान्य मनशाक जर प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलान वयचो पडलो जाल्यार तेका ते 10,000, 13,000 हे भायर काडपाक म्हाका दिसना कोणा कडेन शक्य आसा म्हणून. आयज गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटलांनी जी परिस्थिती आसा, खाटी ना, व्हेंटिलेटर कोणाक मेळना, गॅस कोणाक मेळना, ऑक्सिजन कोणाक मेळना, सारके ट्रिटमेंट मेळना, ही कागाळ आमी सदांच आयकता. सो आमकां दिसता की भुरग्यांची जतनाय चड घेवपाक जाय. गव्हर्मेंट जो पर्यंत तयार आसचो ना सगळे जागे करपाक, जो पर्यंत गव्हर्मेंट विथ कॉन्फिडन्स सांगचो ना यस वी आर प्रिपेर्ड, फुली प्रिपेर्ड विथ ऑल मेडिकल फॅसिलिटीज, we are ready to give all necessary facilities and medical treatment to our students, तेन्नाच आमकांय कॉन्फिडन्स दिसतलो, आमच्या भुरग्यांक आमी इस्कॉलान घालतले. एक टीचर म्हण म्हाका सदांच खोशी की म्हाजे भुरगे इस्कॉलान येवचे, पूण इस्कॉलान येयल्या उपरांत तेंची थंयसर जतनाय फॅसिलिटी सारकी आसूंक जाय, थंयसर इतर ते सॅनिटायज करूंक जाय, तेंकां ट्रान्सपोर्ट घरा कडसून सारखे जावपाक जाय. स्कूटर आसा ते व्हरून पावतले, जे काम ते पेरंट्स कितें करतले, तेंकां सकाळचे पावतले, पण दनपारचे स्कूल सुटल्या उपरांत तेंकां घरा कोण हाडटलो. आयज आमी पळयता की ट्रान्सपोर्ट फॅसिलिटी कशी खंय चलता, खूब कमी प्रमाणात चलता, कित्याक तेंकां गिरायक जायना, फक्त चलता त्यो कदंबा.
So Canada, yes, what do you have to say? कितें तुवें कितें म्हणूंक जाय on this?
Actually last week सन ह्या विकान जायत चेंजेस जाले आमगे गव्हर्मेंटान. Okay, and one thing I want the government to realize, that we are not against them, and the government should not think that we are each other's enemies. Okay, so we have to work. This is a situation where I feel that the higher up, that is God, has sent it that way we can all collaborate. Right now, I feel everyone feels I am against that one is against me. So we as parents, we as teachers, we as school authorities, we as a government, we should see now how to work together in this situation. Now, like we said last time also, and I still stand by that, I will not send my child because I feel that we are not capable of handling the situation if at all this situation goes out of hand. Okay, because it's already on a community transmission mode now. Okay, so out of every 700 people, we have 5 people who are infected right now in Goa. Okay, so I don't know who will come to school, how will it be sanitized, whatever reasons. Okay, so I am not comfortable. Secondly, as far as the students' points of views are concerned, like I said, 10th standard, 12th standard, T-wise, these are the thresholds of anyone's education career. They need to take good decisions, you know, what percentage I will get. So it is the time where the government should have already had some kind of a policy in place, ke at least 10th and 12th, how we would have handled it, which I'm not seeing happening right now. And I don't understand why government has not taken ground people, the ground warriors, into consideration. Now, people like Amarnath, they're teachers, they're also social activists, okay? Then there are doctors, private practicing doctors. Then the actual officials, you know, the people who are actually trained for all this, whether they have actually taken their help to do this whole kind of a study. Yeah, as far as Shaunak is concerned, he wants, when he's going to go to his 12th, his exams are there, how he is going to answer all those things. I understand his fears and I understand the fears of his parents also. Okay, just because my children are in 8th and 9th doesn't mean I don't understand where they stand. But the fact remains is, are we already moving in one direction? Or the government is going one way, I am opposing the government and going in a different direction. Are the teachers capable? Are the teachers ready to do what they have to do? You know, you all are talking about staggering classes and all. Are the teachers capable for that? I mean, there is so many questions in my mind, and who's going to answer them? They're going to be answered by the government. So for the time being, I'm sitting tight, I'm watch, and I'll keep myself safe and I'll
Okay.
keep my children
Yes,
safe
Karen.
at home.
I think let us start, since everybody is talking about the preparedness of infrastructure, I'll slightly talk about that. Because I think it's wrong to assume that we are not completely prepared to tackle the current situation. Because if that was the case, we wouldn't have had a 83% recovery rate. To answer the question whether people are going to hospital and they are coming back safely, then the answer is yes. To a very in Goa, there are the total number of cases have been around 33,000, out of which almost 28,000 have come back home now safely, and only around 0.2% of the remaining population is currently victim to this virus, and all are being monitored under the watch of the government and law enforcement. Am I saying that the government is completely ready to tackle if the situation grows out of population? Maybe not. And I don't think even the government, nobody has answers in this point of time to questions based on what a probable future outcome will be, because these are unprecedented circumstances. But to argue that we are going to sacrifice the ability of children to attain education for this particular presumption is wrong. Because let us understand one thing, if you think sitting at home, the risk of your children is less, that is a wrong presumption. Because businesses and the economy have started to open up. Parents and other family members have started to leave the household. There is some sort of community interaction taking place on a large scale, which cannot be curtailed for much longer. If we want the government to be prepared, the government needs to have resources. Resources the government will only be able to avail when the economy is up and functioning. So even by coming in contact with your very own family members, you have a higher chance of contracting this virus than going to school. Although grown-up children can bear the repercussions of the virus, the ability to transmit is very mitigated. We can talk about this based on example. In the United States, now nearly 1 million children have been going to school, and there have been only 70 cases till now. 70 for 10 lakh. Just compare the ratio. From the 21st of September, nearly 3 crore Indian students have started going back to school. Till date, there has not been a single recorded case. I think the government needs to have a more in-depth policy, but I think by simply showing this confidence in the government and assuming that this government is ill-prepared is not the solution to this. Because the government, to an ability, what it could do, has managed to buy time through the process of lockdown. They have able to locate the areas in which the cases have concentrated. They have able to sign deals to gather the resources. A policy is in place. It is in the process of being implemented. Let us understand that the crisis at hand is not solved. So if we want to work with the government and we are not enemies of the government, we have to understand that the government represents us and we have to show confidence in their working. By just showing mere hostility by account of our political views or of our political disbeliefs is not a solution to achieve some sort of consensus with regards to education.
Okay, Amarnath, I think the last sentence was directed. Yeah, okay, sorry. Yeah,
One
candidate.
question to Glenn. One sec. Shauna,
Yes.
you got this information about the Americans, okay? I just need to know from where you got this, okay? Because I was today on the net also, and I was trying to get this information, and I saw on the schools even in Israel, okay, where they had started off and they had a quite a good running for a week, and they had to shut down the education system. So I would like to know state in America.
Okay, okay. Shona, Canada, one second. We'll go to that later. We'll go to that later. We'll go to these details later. I think the last sentence was for Amarnath. Amarnath, you need to you want to answer this cooperation and with the government and whether the government is prepared.
I am here to debate and to discuss as a parent and as a teacher and not as a politician. I am politician, but with regards to education, I don't want to do any politics in education.
Fair enough.
The way Shaunak is talking, he is under impression that Amarnath belongs to one particular party and that's why Amarnath is opposing. No, you are wrong, Shaunak. You are giving example of USA. Give examples of Goa. Ami USA and Ravana. USA facility, medical facility, you are comparing with Goa. Are you comparing
I'm
USA?
not comparing medical facilities.
Please don't give example of USA. Give
I'm not
example of
comparing
my
medical facilities.
village. You are staying in Tangier. You are staying in city. You are not
No.
staying in interior Goa.
I have
You are going to a school
very fact
which
that I live in a
is being
city, or the
paid.
fact that I go to a
Okay,
good
one
school.
sec. Amarnath, one second. Yeah, Shona.
Some sort of a cognizable offense.
किती म्हणता? What, Shona?
No, see, I have been seeing this kind of behavior from last time. The fact that he's saying as a student of Sharda Mandir, or the fact that I go to the city, I am unaware or I am ignorant, that is not the case. I am aware of what the ground reality is. I am aware of the situation. It is not a cognizable offense for me to go to Sharda Mandir or any.
I'm not showing like that. I'm not.
Fair enough.
The reason I compared the United States was that infection rate for all human beings are the same. I'm not talking about the preparedness of medical facilities. In fact, I agree with you saying that the government can have more comprehensive policy. What I am saying is children do not have an ability to transmit that virus to that great an extent. I said 1 million children have been going to school and only 70% have tested positive. The
Okay,
policy that
fine.
India has put in place through the Ministry of Home Affairs is the same policy that the United States is planning to put in process.
Okay,
I'm
we'll
not
discuss
talking
that
about-
later. This policy part we'll discuss later because
Biological
there are.
aspect is same for all humans, whether
Correct.
it is
Fair
India
enough.
or the
Fair
United
enough.
States.
Fair enough. This policy part we'll discuss later. Okay, Amarnath, yes, continue please.
Yeah. As a parent, I repeat again, and as a teacher, I schools to start. But for the government, again, who is government? It is not BJP and Congress or Dr. Pramod Sawant or some other chief minister. It is government, and government is of the people and for the people. So that government, whoever is in power, it is the duty of government to give safety, to provide medical facilities and the confidence that yes, we are with you, and for that government needs to take in confidence all stakeholders, which is not happening right now. Which is
Fair
not
enough.
happening right
Absolutely.
now.
Yes.
Government is not having discussion and deliberation
Yeah, one sec.
with the
Hold on.
stakeholders or people who are they are intelligent or they are capable of discussing this issue, how to go out, how to start standard 10 and 12. There should be some debate and discussion. There should be some basic work to be done, which is not done by this government. Only by starting 1 or 2 schools here and there and giving example. See, we have started school. We also should start. I challenge this government as a parent. I challenge this government to hold 15 days assembly session with all 40 MPs. Go there and prove that nothing will happen and you are elected representative to गोलकारांक एक लेसन दिया आदर्श दिया की आम्ही करूंक शकता तुम्ही करूंक शकता असेंब्ली जर तुम्ही 15 दीस घेतात मागीर भुरगे confidence येतलो yes we also should take this as a challenge and we should cooperate. So I challenge and I appeal to government to hold assembly session for 15 days and prove that nothing is wrong, nothing is, and then I think people also will operate with.
Okay, guys, I have run out of time on the first half. We will go into a small break and then I will get back to you guys. Welcome back.
We are all talking our point of views over here. Okay, so whether it is Sharda Mandir, whether it is a local school, that is not a concern. As a parent, what is my concern is my child, Shona. Okay, and as far as you are saying, like I told you in the beginning only in my statement, I have said the government has to understand one thing, we are not against them. You understand, when I'm not against a person, you don't think of me already as your against party. They are not taking us into confidence. They are not telling us today we hear one thing, tomorrow we are hearing another thing. I don't know how many of you all have heard even about this Dr. Gudino who has expired in Margao. Okay, he went to GMC, a doctor well known went to GMC for his treatment, a person of such high stature, and he has to die. He was on a stretcher for 6 hours. So when we look at these kind of things coming to our ears, I'm not talking about logistics here. Okay, this logistics works for whom? Policy makers. For me, my logistic is I have 3 children at home. Okay, that is my logistic. That's it. That's my world. Okay. So when I talk to you or talk to anybody on this TV, I'm telling them that it's my child. Okay, so I have to have confidence. The government should ask me, what is it that will make you confident? I will tell them, this is what makes me confident. Show me that the cases have really come down. Today, they are reporting in the media only people who have got comorbid cases. I'm not saying anything is wrong. I'm not saying anything is right. For some parents, taking their children to school or sending their children to school is the right thing. Fair enough, that is their point of view. But as a parent, every child is important to her parent, mother, her father. Okay, so that is my point. I cannot see, until and unless the government makes me comfortable. When I say comfortable,
absolutely, perception,
I mean
very important.
I know,
yes.
Okay, let them go straight. Let them go to school. I know they will come back. Okay, as you said that yes, even in our house, we may get the infection because even we are moving out of the houses for whatever reasons. Okay. There are chances that we'll get, but at least at the end of the day, it won't be that I send a child to school. That will be my onus. It will be at my house. It happened at my house. Okay?
Yeah.
And we take out.
Okay.
Yeah. So
fair enough. Yeah. Let me, before you, Shaunak, let me just put in a little bit of information I have got yesterday and today. It's not, we are also, we of course give feedback to government and stuff, and we are talking to a lot of people, but this is what has happened, what is happening ground reality as of today. Now, the GMC, which is supposed to be taking care of critical patients, does not have beds as of now. We are the medicine in the hospitals. Yeah, then people are talking about plasma. ICMRA said plasma does not work. Delhi government says plasma works. Goa government says arrange for plasma, but then it tells the patient, what does it tell the patient? There are risks, You take a decision whether you want to give plasma or no. Is this what the doctor is supposed to tell a patient when he's there in the ward? Nobody to consult? No. I would like to say one thing. We are all for the government and with the government, because ultimately it's our government. We vote them to power. At least as journalists, we are with them. But the government has to tell us how they are going to get into the schools. How and why? The center has given one directions, that the students have to go and consult the teachers. But our local government says no, we are trying on October 2nd we will decide whether all schools, ITIs have already started. The Vishwajit is sending tweets saying that no, very happy ITIs have started. So I don't know, maybe there is no policy, or at least there is a policy. I have not seen the policy as yet. I have not seen. I am not aware if you all have seen. Shaunak.
Yeah. Okay. So, like several points have been raised. So just give me some time. I'll address all
Take
of
your
them.
time. Take your time.
Yeah. Yes. So first of all, Mr. Amarnath raised the point that the government is not. We don't know whether the government is consulting with any experts on the matter or not. Okay. So to address that point, we actually do know, because the central government's advisory panel has framed the policy after this thing, deliberations with doctors, after deliberations with ground workers, after deliberations with students, after deliberations with the head of the CICSC, CBSC and NCERT board, on which they have formed the base guideline. So now you raise the point of we don't know how the policy functions. So the policy actually is such that the central government gives you guidelines, then it is the responsibility of the state whether the
Absolutely,
state wants
that's
to
a very
determine-
important point. Yes, very
Yeah.
important.
It's
State
the
has to decide.
responsibility of the
The state
state
subject.
whether the state wants to open schools for their children or whether they do not want to. Because
Absolutely.
states like Tamil Nadu, states like Telangana, which have bear the West brunt, have decided to postpone it even further up until the month of November and so on and so forth. And
Correct.
what the Goa government has said is, they have not said we are open. I was just going through the exact statements and the exact POA right now. They have said we are going to consult on the 2nd of October, and based on the situation we are going to take a decision. So regarding that consultation you expect at a state level, according to the statement of the government, it should happen on the 2nd of October.
No,
we have to
decision
wait
he
for
said.
what-
Decision. He said he would take a decision on 2nd.
Yeah, he will take the decision after consultation.
Where?
Correct,
What are the
correct.
consultations? There are no consultations happening. That is my
No,
point.
no, see,
Okay.
when the
Go
central
ahead, go
government gives you a certain guideline, and that guideline has been
Then
implemented,
government
in
should follow.
Government
in
should
different
follow,
formats
right?
in different
Absolutely.
states. It is the government's responsibility to follow it, and they'll have
Correct.
to follow it. They do not have
Absolutely.
the authority
There
to
are many
over-
guidelines which are not being followed by state government.
Yes,
Yeah.
so many.
And regarding the reopening, what does the Ministry of Human Resource say? Shaunak, have you read that also? Because I
Correct.
think
Yeah, I will give you
on
one
their
example, one
official
example.
site it says
Yes.
that till
I want to
December,
give one
no
example.
decisions. Yeah.
I want to give only one example. See, Ministry of Home Affairs, they have issued a guideline. State teachers should not go to school. They should work from home. But government of Goa is doing opposite. They are forcing teachers to go in school and take online classes, which online classes can be held from home. So, why this government is working against MHA guidelines? So, this government is actually not following MHA guidelines. They are doing opposite. So,
Yeah,
where
I'm
the
aware of
question
this, yes.
of the guidelines? This government should
yeah.
follow the guidelines, and they should form a committee, local committee. There are fine, but our government is not following. They are not prepared. They are not consulted. Shaunak is speaking as if he is a spokesperson for government.
No.
As if he- See,
This I don't agree. Amarnath, now that's
Shaunak,
unfair.
You are
That is
assuming
most
that
unfair.
government is doing everything.
Amarnath,
Government is not prepared. If I ask one question, just one question to government, whether government has made provision for transport, because local students from interior part of Kankona, Penne, Sange, Kepe, they have to travel. For travel, is there any transport arrangements are made?
Not yet. I
Is
don't know.
there
at this.
any
I don't know.
medical
I don't know.
facility arranged?
Maybe there is.
Is there any COVID hospital, taluka? Because students, there may be emergency. You can ask student who is sick in Kotigaon, you cannot ask him to come and you will take him to
Okay,
there
I
should
see.
be COVID
Okay.
hospital in
Okay.
Kanakona itself.
Okay,
And then only
once-
that confidence there will be there.
Yes.
I think
Now,
then
Shaunak,
we
I
should
want
go
to-
into
I want to-
solutions now.
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
Time
Let's,
again.
let's go in for something. We have time is almost over again. So I cannot have a third. So Shaunak, what I want from you is why would you want to go to school and how would you want this school thing to be done? Like as a student, as a student.
He also
Okay.
Yeah.
Now wait. I'll answer.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Not
First of all, one thing I think I have gone into the importance of why we have to go to school in quite a bit last time.
Yeah, yes.
One more additional point I would just raise, the fact is that if we say skip this particular year, then a lot of children who are availing education under the Right to Education Act, those who are from very poor and backward backgrounds, there is a chance that they may never ever join school back if there's that discontinuity, because their parents will prefer them to take up some labor intensive or menial jobs which have payments rather than pursue their education, which is a fact. And we have
Fair
You're
enough.
totally wrong. I don't
It's,
agree to
no,
this.
it's a point of view. It's his point of
Don't
view.
agree
Even
to
I
this.
don't agree with that. The
I
Shona,
don't agree.
But it's
even
okay.
I
Hey,
agree
Shona,
or
go
I
on.
don't
You go
agree.
on. It's not necessary to agree.
It is easy for us who are sitting on this panel to say I don't agree, we don't agree. Majority of India's students are from the most subjugated and backward areas.
Absolutely.
Okay,
I agree with you
a
on this.
large number, crores of students are like that, who instead of doing daily wage jobs have been guaranteed education under the Right to Education. If that break is there, there is no reason for them to continue education. They would rather want to they would rather want to get some source of livelihood than further their education. For a person who has the ability to sustain themselves in the period education is the thing.
You are speaking as if you are a parent.
Wait.
Yeah.
You
Okay,
have to
okay,
speak
okay,
as
wait,
a
wait,
student
wait.
and not
Yes,
as
it is
a
a-
parent.
no,
You are
okay.
giving. You are speaking here as a parent. You cannot-
Not really. It's a good point. See,
No,
Amarnath,
I'm
no.
not-
I agree. I agree. One second. Guys, one second. Both of you, 1 second. I agree with Shaunak in a way. He's being pretty mature in this argument. However, I have one thing to say also. Guys, we have run out of time. I'm really sorry. We'll have to bring this, accentuate or do this debate some other time. Increase, because you guys, time doesn't seem
You were
enough for
supposed
you.
to-
It's already
you were
30 minutes.
supposed to discuss-
You finished.
You are supposed to discuss also national education policy. That also
Yes.
is.
Maybe
we
next
will,
time. Next time. Okay, I would like just to say just one point before we end. From what I've seen and from what my own views are, there, with Shaunak, with Amarnath, with Candida, and with a lot of parents and a lot of students. Ultimately, nothing. Whether the government is doing a good job, is not doing a good job. Ultimately, what is important and what the government, led by the Chief Minister, needs to do, perception. It needs to convince, the perception should be there that every parent, every person right at the ground should know, should think, should feel that my children are safe. Right now, I feel that perception is not there. There is a big lacune between what the CM
Correct.
says, what he talks,
Absolutely.
and what is happening on the ground. With this, I close this discussion. We've run out of time again, and I don't think we've managed to cover too many topics, but it was very nice. Well done, guys. Shaunak especially, Amarnath, Candida. Thank you.